Ublalotak, Kanwik Pizzy. Today is Friday. What day? All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try, do our best, cooperate with others, and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Today is Friday and we have an announcement. There's a basketball event today. Win today. For who? For anyone between the age of kindergarten all the way to adults. When does this happen? 6 p.m. And does it cost anything? It is absolutely free this time. So again, basketball event today for anyone between the ages of 5 and up at 6 p.m. at this gym, and it's free. Again, this is at the gym at 6 p.m. Thank you. Today, we're talking about assumptions. Oh me, oh my, even more assumptions. Before we get too ahead of ourselves, let's do a quick refresher. What is an assumption? Does anyone remember? That's right. An assumption is a thing that is accepted as true or is certain to happen without proof. Today, we're going to do another assumption scenario. Today, our downstairs brain crew is getting ready to play some basketball. All of a sudden, in walks Granny. And she asks if she can play. The downstairs crew look at each other and they begin to think. They think she's too old to play. She can't move fast. We're going to lose if she's on our team. All of a sudden, the Angernator steps off to the side, though. And he says, Granny, let's just see if you can actually play. So the boss, Frightener, and the Alerter all step off to the side so that Granny can step over and get the ball, and the Angernator can play her. So the two play back and forth. Tied game. Before you know it, Granny makes the one final shot. And she makes it and wins. Can anyone tell me what the downstairs crew did when they thought Granny was too old and too slow to play with them? That's right. They made an assumption. Remember, we have to be careful not to accept things as true if they don't have any proof. Otherwise, it's an assumption and not a fact. This is our daily eligibility reminder. Today is January 13th. In 3 weeks, on February 3rd, there will be a mid-quarter 3 eligibility check. Remember, for grades 6 through 12, we're looking at a 2.0 GPA, no Fs, and 80% attendance. And remember, students in grades 8 through 12, please do not forget to fill out your weekly eligibility slips every Friday. Remember, weekly eligibility slips are part of Breivik Mission Site eligibility and required to participate in home and away competitions. And next Friday, the girls' basketball team will have their home games. So please, get your eligibility slips in today. Everyone, have a fantastic Friday.